Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics in English Medium by Gyaneshji sir. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to help learning mathematics in easily and lot of type of method. In this YouTube channel, you can learn the solve any question by different way. Then you have to choice to solve that question in examination by any method. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is circle. In circle, we know that what is the circle? Circle, the collection of all points which have fixed distance from a fixed point. The collection of all points which have fixed distance from a fixed point. That is called circle. Fixed point is called center. And fixed distance is called radius of circle. And a line intersect a circle at 2 point. At 2 point. That is called secant. A line intersect a circle at 2 point. That is called secant. But if a line intersect a circle only 1 point, that is called tangent. Here it is intersect only at a point, means touch circle at a point R. So that is called tangent of circle. Here if a line segment intersect a circle, in other language, a line segment join 2 point of a circle, that is called chord. That is called chord. And a chord which pass through from the center, that is called diameter. A chord pass through the center, that is called diameter. So here we see the collection of all points which have fixed distance from a fixed point, that is called circle. Center point is called center. Fixed point is called center, and distance are called radius of circle. And if a line intersect a circle at 2 point, that is called secant. But if a line intersect a circle only 1 point, that is called tangent of circle. And a line segment join 2 point of circle, that is called chord. A chord pass from the center, that is called diameter. And a chord divide the circle in 2 parts, then that part is called segment of circle. So a chord divide a circle in 2 parts, means GH chord divide the whole circle in 2 parts, GH downside and upside. That is called segment of circle. A small part is called minor segment of circle, and major part is called major segment of circle. Similarly, in a circle, 2 radius, here we see the 3 radius, OE, OI, OG. 3 radius are given, but any 2 radius divide the circle in 2 parts. Let's we take OA and OG. Divide the whole circle in 2 parts. First part is inside of this type, and second is other part. That is called sector of circle. 2 radius divide the whole circle in 2 parts, that is called sector of circle. This is the parts of circle. And if we want to find anything, first we have to understand what is the definition, what is the things of circle. So let's start today's first question, that is depend on the circle area and circumference. Circumference means the boundary of the circle. If we run around the all circle, we cover a fixed distance, that is called circumference of circle. And inside all part is called area of circle. So today's we solve only area of circle and circumference of circle. So let's start first question. Here we have given find the area of circle, whose radius is 7 cm. We know that area of circle circle. Area of circle formula is pi r square. Pi r square means pi is a fixed value and r means radius. So put this value. Pi value is the 22 upon 7 and 3.14. Generally we take always 22 upon 7. But some condition we have given, use the pi value is 3.14. So 22 upon 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. 1 7 is cross out. Then our answer is 154 centimeter square. It is the area of circle. It is the simplest way to find the area of circle and circumference of circle. So let's take another questions. Here we have given radius of circle is 3.5 centimeter and find the circumference and area of circle. So use the formula and solve directly. Just here we know that the area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Put the formula. Value. I said that always we use pi value is 22 upon 7. Only special condition we can use the pi value is 3.14. So let's start. Pi is 22 upon 7 multiply 3.5 multiply 3.5. And previous video I have said that if any question have decimal number, so first we remove the decimal and then solve the question in generally. Remove decimal, write 1 in denominator and write the number of zeros, how many digit comes in after decimal. So removing decimal we get 10. So we cross out 7, 7 5 ja 35. Again 5 remove, 5 2 ja 10. Here also 5 7 ja 35 and 5 2 ja 10. Again 2 cancel this 11. Now no other number are cancelled in numerator and denominator, so multiply numerator to each other and denominator to each other. Here numerator number is 11 and 7. 11 7 ja 77. 77 upon 2. Then after dividing we get 38.5 centimeter square. If we are finding the area of any things, then we write the unit in square, just like centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square. So area will be always come in the area square unit. Next, circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So multiply 2 pi r. Always remember that pi is the fixed value and r is the radius. So 2 as it is, pi 22 upon 7 multiply 3.5 upon remove decimal upon 10. So cross out 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 2 cancel by 2, then we get only 22. So our answer is 22 centimeter. Area will come in the unit of the square, but other things are normally unit. So by this method we can easily calculate the area of circle and circumference of circle. So let's take some another questions. Here we have given find the radius of circle which circumference is 132 centimeter. Here we have given already circumference of circle. In previous video and lot of time I said that if anything are given and which things have formula, then use the formula first always. Here we have given circumference of circle and we know that the formula of circumference of circle. So first we use the formula of circumference of circle. So what is the formula of circumference of circle? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So write the value 2 pi r. Now put the value which are given. Here circumference of circle is 132 and 2 is as it is pi is 22 upon 7 and radius, we don't know the value of radius. So we take alphabet in one side and all other things in second side. So 132, 7 here are in denominator, then we change the side, then it will be goes to numerator. So 132 multiply 7 in denominator, 2 multiply 22 because 2 and 22 are in numerator. So changing the side, then it goes to denominator. So cross out it. Here we know that 132 and 22 are generally dividing by 11. So divide it. 11 and 11, 11 to the 12, 11 to the 22. Now both are dividing by 2. 2 and the 2, 2, 6 are 12. Now again 2 divided, 2 and the 2, 2, 3 the 6. So our answer is 21 centimeter. Means our radius of circle is 21 centimeter. I always remember that all time if we are finding the area of the anything, then we write the square unit. But in generally we write the unit as it is. Do not write the in square unit. So let's take today's last question. Here we have given the circumference of circle is 44 meter and find area of circle. But here we have not given the radius. But first we have given circumference of circle and we know the formula of circumference of circle. So first use the formula of circumference of circle. So circumference of circle, in circumference of circle we always use the formula of 2 pi r. Write the value of 2 pi r and put the value which are given in our question. Our question, circumference of circle is 44, 2 as it is, multiply 22, radius as it is, 22 upon 7 is pi value. So change the direction. So 44 multiply 7 upon 2 multiply 22 is 44. So in denominator is 44, r as it is. So 44 r cancel, then r is 7 centimeter, 7 meter sorry. Because in question our unit is meter. So radius is 7 meter. Now we can find the area of circle. So area of circle is pi r square. Pi r square. Pi r square means write the value of 22 upon 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. Now 7 is cancelled, multiplied, then we got 154 meter square. Generally, lot of time our radius will be in the multiple of 7. Always in generally form, not compulsory rules, but in generally radius are given in the multiple of 7. Because here you see that 7, 7, 7, 21, 7 3 is 21. Before we have the radius is 3.5 means 7 5 is 35. If we ignore the decimal. So always general form radius will become in multiple of 7. So thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. If you have any type of problem, write in comment box. So I will give the answer of that problem. So thank you for watching this video.